Song daw mo muna. Yo, last song mo para sa pwede.
I can't get it good. You make my heart beat. Show me how to you're my Superman. You keep making me frozen. Something gotta keep that. It's a time to know. There's a need to hear me now. Yeah. So you back. Yo! So get up, get out of my head. Fall into my arms, instead. I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. You got that one thing. Now I'm trying to know, but you don't know better. I'm going out of my mind. I think it's all night. Something gotta give now. The sky is looking for something. And I need to be that one thing. So get out of my head. Fall into my arms, instead. I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. Get out of my mind. Into my life. I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. You got that one thing. That one thing. Get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. So get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. I don't know what it is. I need that. Get out of my mind. Someone can be too bad. Take a loud, bro. I need that one thing, and you got that one thing.
Wait lang. Pahingahin po na natin si Enrique ngayon. Hi! How are you?
Okay na ako.
Pati ka muna sa lahat ng kasama natin. Since 12 soon. Inaantay ka na.
Sa lahat ng network, maraming salamat. Solid yung bago.
Enrique, first time mo ba sa Baguio? Ano favorite?
Hindi naman.
Ano favorite mong lugar dito? O anong lugar na gusto mo bisitahin? Bahay nila.
Gusto ko yung Kumain View.
Sa Nice View na. Ang sino gusto sumama sa Enrique, your fans would always want to see you sa Kapanila Venue.
Yeah, sa Twitter Sunday. Masasap ako.
Yun, no?
Tapos may bagong home movie na gagawin na horror tsaka teleserye. Sana bang
Ayan! Lagi nyo naman siya susuportahan, diba? Ikaw ang naging isang praise the bear sa kanila.
Yung para sa'yo din sa
Ay, thank you. Para hindi kayo masyadong maingkit. Kasi eto, hindi naman natin siya pwedeng sababain ng walang sample ng ano, diba? Hindi na. Oo,
Sige lang.
yan.
Sino gusto sumama sa akin? Pwede ka. Ay, babae, bilis. Kunti gagi na tayo.
With Enrique Hill.
Eh, di marunong, okay lang. Sige, halika. Halika lang, ikaw.
Paduin kayang nakijogi ha. Sabi ni Enrique Hill. Alright, music! Tignan na natin, Enrique, kung mapapasta ba itong dalawang to sa'yo.
Sige, sabay tayo. 5, 6, 7, 7 lang.